Jump.
Ala, ala, ala.
Jump. Jump, baby.
La, la, la.
Number two, it also affects the other people inside. But ang biggest concern is that I am worried that makakayanan ng emotional strength.
Oh.
Pero bakit hindi sila
Kasi may business na parang ang feeling ko, if not been given a strong yes, that really will showcase what this voice is capable of doing. She's she's not giving it her best.
Good, good, good.